Welcome back to Between the Keys. We're looking at the US Top 40. I'm on song 14. It's called Austin by Dasha. The song uses 4 chords, like most of the songs so far. And it's A minor to F, to C, to G. Again, A minor with the bass note to F, C. Practice that. Going between those 4 chords. We had a plan, move out of this town, baby. We had a plan, move out of this town, baby. West to the sand, it's all we talked about lately. I'd pack the car, bring your guitar and Jane for smoking. G. First thing at dawn, you'd cue the songs and we'd get going. And verse 2, same chords, but you weren't home, waiting on the porch for you. Sat there alone all through the morn till I C. Got a hunch down in my gut and snuck round the back. G. Empty cans and I'll be damned, your shit was never packed. Chorus. Did your boots stop working? Same chords. Did your boots stop? Now it's a guitar song, so you could do this as well. You could go. Did your truck break down? Did you burn through money? Did your ex find out? But there's a will and there's a way, and I'm damn sure you lost it. Didn't even say goodbye, just wish I knew what caused it. Was the whiskey flowing? Were you in a fight? Did the nerves come get you? What's your alibi? To C. I made my way back to LA, and that's where you'll be forgotten. G. In 40 years you'd still be here, drunk, washed up in Austin. And then we have a break. And when it says break, it doesn't mean like go and make some coffee or just take a rest and come back to the song. No, it means there's a break, an instrumental break. 2 bars on each chord, so A minor. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3 to G. That would be your break, and then we go to verse 3. Hell of a bluff you had me believing. Let's do the break again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hell of a bluff you had me believing. A minor. How many months did you plan on leaving? C. What happened? Bad habits? Did you go back? Did you go back? Shit? Bad shit? I loved you. How tragic. Oh. Chorus. Did your boots stop working? Did your truck break down? Did you burn through money? Did your ex find out? Well, there's a will and there's a way, and I'm damn sure you lost it. Didn't even say goodbye, just wish I knew what caused it. Was your whiskey flowing? Were you in a fight? Did the nerves get you? Was your alibi? I made my way back to LA, and that's where you'll be forgotten. To G. In 40 years you'll still be here, drunk, washed up in Austin. Back to that break for the outro. Etc, 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 etc. Just a quick outro there, 8 bars I should say. You could even do it as 4 if you were doing it as a cover. You could just play those 4 bars, play them 1 bar each. Either way, thanks for watching Between the Keys. That was song 14 of the top 40. It's Austin by Dasha. Next up, song 15, I'm going to listen to Not Like Us by Kendrick Lamar. Can I teach that on piano? That's the question. I'm not sure if there's any piano in the song, but I have actually heard that one. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. Something like that. Something like that. Let's give it a listen. If you have any requests, put them in the comments. If you like what you see, give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time on Between the Keys. Thanks for watching.